shaker. I can fit it here.
Dum.
Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. I'm gonna have some fun today. Yay!
We don't want to buy
A
a cage. We're
gonna make it out of cardboard. See, look, we have cardboard.
We're gonna use this. Okay, so Eli wants the cage to be outside of the ring. So we're gonna make.
Sometimes it's outside and sometimes it's right here.
So we're gonna go from like right here to like
here.
And this is a square, right? So 4 sides. So we're gonna cut 4 pieces. It's 29 inches.
29. Kids, I'm pretending I'm making SmackDown live match.
1, 2,
Oh my
3,
gosh.
4. Let's get the cutting.
And I don't have, those are my scissors, okay? They're mine. They're mine. They're mine.
Obviously. It's hurting my fingers, bro.
Oh my God. Both of them.
Strongly advise for you to use
When I'm making a match.
box cutter.
Alright.
Redonkulous.
Ridiculous. Kids, you don't want to listen to her. Okay, kids? You want to know. But I recorded because I pressed it. I'm just waiting for my mom. She's in the kitchen getting a knife to cut me off. No, not to cut me off, because I'll be dead. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. You got to be kidding me. Are you serious?
What's happening over here? Oh, you're so cute.
Oh my.
What was Eli talking about? It's so funny seeing him in front of the camera. You like being in front of the camera? I couldn't find anything else, so kitty scissors it is.
Oh my gosh.
It's really hurting my thumb. So I'm just cutting both sides now. It's gonna be like this,
No.
like this,
No.
like this.
No. This is hard, kids. I know, this is hard. Right, Mom?
That's what she said.
That's what you said. Kids, you do not want to do this. But do it. Do it if you can.
Do not try this at home.
Yeah, I did not
But
try
do
that.
try it.
Yay.
Yeah.
Karate chop.
Yeah. So we have, I left this part on here. So that's how we're going to take this wall to this wall. So Eli says that there needs to be holes,
Wait, let me.
like so they can step,
Like this. Hole.
but not that big though, right?
Yeah, not that big. Oh my gosh, that's too little.
We're just going to stab some holes in here. So we're going to do a few of these,
Yeah,
bunch of holes.
Cause there's holes
Let's
everywhere.
see in a minute.
Oh, kids. It's on 29.
This is a lot of work, so I'm only going to do enough for one side on one wall and one side on another wall.
With a stretchy one.
So he needs to be able to climb over like...
And then it does it.
Alright, so I got the other one. I think that's enough.
Stupid style. Stupid style.
I'm not saying stupid. I'm saying let's take each side.
Stupid style.
Let me show you how I'm going to do this.
He almost broke the whole cage.
We're going to be like...
Oh. He just broke the whole entire cage.
You really got to be creative if you're a parent.
Oh, he just broke the cage. Oh no, he didn't.
It's not as close as I wanted it, but it's good.
CD problems. OCD problems. Sometimes.
OCD problems. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada ding. Bada bing, bada ding. Oh my God, this cage is getting built. Yeah.
It was actually easier if you flatten it. So what about flatten it? And then do like that. Fold a piece of it over.
Oh my God. You should have
long enough on this side so that you can... Oh, yeah! That's how Eli wanted it. He wanted there to be space within the thing. So this is our last piece. We have an extra flap here, and that's what I wanted to use on the last corner so that it can go straight down.
Look what he did.
It's not lined up the way I want it to be, but I think it's okay.
Oh, I came back in the ring from last year. I'm gonna be in this cage match. I'm gonna be in this cage match. I'm in the cage match, kids. Inside. As you can see, I'm in it. I was in it. See, they are. This would not really happen.
Lastly, I want to put tape in this corner on the inside because that's where there was a gap. So I'm gonna just flatten it like this and tape up this side.
You broke my cake.
I need to stick myself in here.
No, don't stick yourself in.
I have to so I can tape this part. And that, my friends, is how you build the cage. It's hilarious. And this is where they climb. We're gonna make more holes eventually.
Yeah, but
just not today
just
or not right now.
Off the camera.
Off the camera.
Off the camera.
Off the record.
Off the record. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. He sees him. Now he's climbing. He's climbing in the entrance. Oh, they're fighting in the ring.
Yay.
Oh my god. Bro.
Thumbs up, Eli.
Oh my god. What is he doing?
Whoop,
This
whoop.
is a big cage. See, it's big.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, Taylor, how could this be happening? They're fighting on the edge. Oh my gosh. Beating the freak out of each other. Oh. I see. If they go in the ring, they lose. Or if they fall like that. If they fall like this, they win. Oh my god. Oh. He better lose. He better have to lose. He better lose. Oh, Roman Reigns is in the ring. He fell out the ring. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
Because we are just on.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Bye, guys. Jeez.